on in. Come on. Hi everyone, I've got another fun video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I decorated my front patio this year for Halloween. And it was all done without breaking the bank. This video is all about doing Halloween on a budget. First off, if you want to save yourself some money, you've got to know where to shop for your decorations and when to shop for them. Because some stores will put their Halloween stuff on sale for 50% off before Halloween, and others will do it after the holiday. My first stop, of course, is always going to be the 99 cents only store, my favorite store in the whole wide world. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. Let me show you some of the stuff that I had purchased from them this year, and everything was only 99 cents each. Every single year, I always buy my Halloween door covers here, and this year they had a creepy clown. Oh my goodness, I just love him. He is perfect for my front gate. I also picked up a Danger Keep Out sign, a plastic hanging skeleton, a spider web with a pink glittered spider on it, a porch light cover, another door cover, but I used it to cover my windows instead. This one has a spider web with a huge black spider on it, but the cool thing about this door cover is that the spider has flashing red eyes. I'll show you that a little later. I also got a black cloth, which I used to cover this chair with, and a bright green tablecloth with spider webs all over it. On the morning of Halloween, I actually returned to the 99 cents only store because I felt that my electrical panel was missing something and it just felt bare. Well, I found these two packages of Halloween paper cutouts, and one of the packages was actually 50% off, so it was only 50 cents. It was practically free. One package has pictures of some creepy humans in it, which is what I will be using this year. And the other package has pictures of some creepy monsters in it, which I will save for next year. At this store, for the best selection, you should shop early, like as soon as they put the stuff out onto the floor, which is usually around the end of September. My next favorite store for Halloween decorations is Big Lots. Their sale before Halloween isn't that great. It's usually only 25% off, but hey, 25% off is better than nothing. If you want 50% off, then you have to wait until after Halloween, but there might not be much merchandise left. So this year at Big Lots, I had purchased this adorable skeleton tree hugger. He is just cute and funny. I had to take him home. I also got this awesome flaming LED skull. I just thought he was really cool, so I had to have him as well. I actually got a really good deal on him though, because unfortunately he has a crack in the back. I had asked the manager for a discount, and I believe I ended up paying only $6 for him. And lastly, I got the skeleton head with hands, and he just lights up. So now I'll give you a daytime tour of my patio and show you the rest of my Halloween decorations from the previous years. And all the decorations that you see were purchased at half off the retail price because I had purchased them after Halloween. I try not to pay full price on any of my Halloween stuff because with my budget, I just can't afford to. This guy here is a DIY project. I had purchased a mask, which also came with hands, for $2 at a thrift store years ago. You may notice that he's missing one eye because I couldn't find it, but I did find it in a box in the garage after Halloween. So next year, he'll have a pair of eyes. I just take an old shirt and a pair of pants and simply stuff him. Usually I would stuff him with some old clothes or towels, but this year I had stuffed him with some airbags that I had found in the garage. He makes a cheap and awesome Halloween prop. And next to this handsome guy is the window cover that has the spider with the flashing red eyes. Above his head is a lantern, which I had purchased at Target last year, the day after Halloween, for their 50% off sale. Hanging near the entrance of the gate is this talking bird, which I had also purchased at Target last year. His job is to greet the trick-or-treaters. To the right of the gate, I have an animated doorbell. Next, we have a lonely witch who is just happy to have little kids visit her. Next to her is the electrical panel with photos of all the scary looking family members on it. And below them is the skull with hands that light up. The last item on this side of the wall is an electrocuted prisoner, and he was originally from Spirit Halloween. I had actually purchased him at a swap meet earlier this year for $10. I thought that maybe he was broken, but figured he would make a cool Halloween prop anyways. But lo and behold, I placed some batteries in him and he started shaking, baby. I couldn't believe it. He worked! I only had to buy a step pad, which I did a few days before Halloween at Party City. The step pad was originally $20, but was half off, so I only paid $10 for it. Animatronics this size ain't cheap. They can sell for over $100, so I got quite a deal. Now let me show you what we have on the opposite wall. Over here, I have a table set up with a TV which features some scary shows. It's censored, so as the kids walk by, the TV will turn on.
Did your mama tell you not to turn on the TV at night? How dare you? I've been watching you.
This here is our sweet cat. His name is Killer Kitty. Say hi to all of our viewers, Killer Kitty. Right behind the chair is a skeleton tree hugger. You're supposed to attach him to a tree, but since I don't have a tree in my patio, I had attached him to the back of this chair. He's just a fun character.
Hey you, help me out here. I'm in a bit of a situation here. Can you grab me a pair of pants?
And behind him is a pop-up ground reaper. He is censored as well, so as the kids approach him, he pops right up to scare them. This is what scared the little boy in the beginning of the video. Don't worry about him, he's fine. He immediately returned to get candy with his mom. Alright, so now I'll show you all the things that I have on my wall. On this corner, I have a pumpkin that lights up, and I love that it's heavy so I don't have to worry about it falling over when it's windy. On the opposite corner is a Dracula. I want to suck your blood. Ha 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 ha. And below him is a talking skeleton. He's supposed to lunge at you as well, but I think he's broken.
Something spooky out tonight, and I think it's
Next, we have a 3 feet swinging pumpkin guy. He actually doesn't do anything. He just sits there and chills. And this guy here has just a head. You're supposed to hang him on something, but instead I had made a hole underneath him and stuck a stick in him like a lollipop so that I can stick his head into the planter. I believe I have shown you all the decorations that I have. Once again, all the decorations from the previous years were all purchased for 50% off the retail price at various stores, so most of them were under $10. Let me show you some of the light shows that I have against the building. They were all half off as well. Now I'm going to share with you a few clips of the kids in our neighborhood trick-or-treating at my home. And then afterwards, we'll take a trip to Target the day after Halloween for their 50% off sale. And I'll show you what I had purchased to use for next year.
Happy Halloween!
Thank you. Oh my God!
Bye! Thank you!
Thank you.
Bye! Happy Halloween!
It's all fake. It's all fake. Yep.
It's okay, it's
It's all
okay.
fake. It's all fake. It's just for fun. Oh,
This is for fun, you made it!
It's just for fun.
You made it, come on!
It's just for fun. It's okay.
There we go. That one's good. That one's good. Oh my God.
Happy Halloween.
That scared me. Trick or treat. Watch out.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Get the candy. Hurry up, get the candy. Thank you so much. Oh, there you go. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
You too, thank you. No hace nada. Boy, it's heavy. You got a lot in there. Woo! Good job. Hold on. Night, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You survived. Good job. Thank you. Come on over. Come on over. It's okay. Come on over. He's not gonna get you. There you go. Happy Halloween.
It's now the day after Halloween, and I'm at Target to get some great deals on their Halloween decor. Everything is now 50% off, so I grabbed me a few items. Let me show you what I got this year to save for next year. The first thing I grabbed was this haunted tombstone. It has a woman named Ophelia on it, and she sings opera. She's so cute. I love this. Next, I grabbed a lighted animated spider. I'm not really sure what he does. Maybe he just moves his legs, but he'll be a cool addition to my Halloween stuff. Then I grabbed this drink dispenser because I think for next year I'm just going to fill this up with some punch or something instead of giving out Capri Suns, as it looked like some people were taking multiples. One group came in and wiped the table clean. And lastly, I grabbed this really cute haunted fish bowl. The fishes move back and forth, and when they get to the end, they actually make a U-turn. I'm like, what the? I didn't expect that to happen at all, as I just thought that they would move from side to side. Well, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click the like button before you leave to help support my channel. Thanks so much, guys, and have an awesome day. I'll see you later, alligator. Bye.